As the global preferred expert for Chinese exports, how does UKO provide protection for the fastener industry? In recent years, with the economic and industrial development of countries such as China, the United States, Russia, Brazil, Poland, and India, it will further drive the growth of fastener demand. In addition, the growth of industries such as household appliances, automotive industry, aerospace manufacturing, construction industry, electronics industry, mechanical equipment manufacturing, and manufacturing after-sales market will also stimulate the demand for fasteners in the market. China is currently the largest producer of fasteners, and the fastener industry has maintained a stable growth trend in recent years. Zhuzhou UKO Precision Carbide Company, Limited was established in 2009 and is located in Zhuzhou City, Hunan Province. It is the capital of hard alloys in Asia and has been focusing on the production and sales of carbide tools for 15 years. To become a leader in the sub-industry of fastener molds, we adopt a strict quality control system for production and processing technology. By cooperating with UKO and purchasing our fastener molds, we can ensure the steady operation of your production line. UKO Accessories goes beyond functional requirements and provides accessory solutions from a market perspective, helping customers explore new profit margins and market areas.